and welcome to this DIY with Miss Jo. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute wintry snack that you're going to love. We're going to make melted snowman cookies. First thing you need is a store-bought or a homemade little round cookie. So I got a couple here. A couple of marshmallows. I've got a can of white frosting here. And I've got a little tube of writing frosting. And we're going to make our snowmans. Ready? Here we go. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to take and spread a nice layer of snow here. They're cookies. So you see, got that. And then the next, so I'm going to do that to both my cookies. This is really a fun project when you want a special snack or you want to take something to share, maybe with your classmates or your buddies. So the next thing you're going to do, so I got that, is we've got a little marshmallows, and this is going to be our snowman's head. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just want to squirt out just a little bit, and I'm going to make my snowman's face here. And then I'm going to put them on their snow nose and there, like that. And then the next thing, of course, since our poor snowman is melting, we're going to put some buttons here. And then I'm going to draw out his branch arms, just like that. And there you go. How cute is that? You have your own melted snowman cookie. Thanks for joining me on this fun snack time DIY with Miss Jo. I'm so glad you were here, and we'll see you next time. Take care.